Tired of the pleated plaid skirt looking like you're headed back to homeroom? Step 1. Ditch the Peter Pan collars. The key is to pair your plaid with sophisticated tops. Think fitted black turtlenecks for a sleek look, a luxurious silk camisole for a touch of elegance, or even a crisp, slightly oversized white button-down, casually tucked in. Next, cinch it. Adding a belt instantly elevates the look. A wide leather belt adds structure, a chain belt gives an edgy vibe, and a minimalist belt keeps things clean and modern. Chachoses are crucial. Say goodbye to sneakers, unless they are fashion-forward and intentional. Opt for ankle boots, loafers, or pointed-toe heels to elongate your legs and add a touch of sophistication. Don't forget the accessories. Elevate your look with carefully chosen jewelry. Layered necklaces add dimension, statement earrings draw attention upwards, and a chunky bracelet adds a touch of personality. Finally, rock it with confidence. The most important accessory is your attitude on the look, and show the world that plaid skirts are anything but childish. Now go rock your plaid.